Welcome to another episode of Big O Video. Today, I want to provide some information on your drip pan. In the original Orion Cooker, you would line the drip pan with tin foil to keep it from caking on the drip pan itself. That was fine because all the heat was coming from the side. With the Orion 3.0, obviously heat's coming from the bottom. There's no need to line the drip pan with tin foil or put any water in there. And the reason why is on the original Orion Cooker, once you pull the meat out, you'd sit there and it's too hot to get the drip pan out. Well, with the 3.0, all you got to do is once you're done cooking, got your meat off, you're eating, you're having a great time, take your cooking cylinder, put it on something metal, concrete, stone, metal, obviously nothing flammable, and let it go. It's not going to continue to cook in there, and the cleanup on it is super easy. So again, no need to line your drip pan with tin foil. It will impede the cooking process, and then no need for liquid in the drip pan either. So thanks a lot, guys. You take care and have a great day. We'll see you soon on the next episode of Big O Video. Take care.